Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Hilux 2019 today, and we have upgraded its sound system and the radio today. From factory, this comes like this kind of CD player with not a good quality touch screen and a small screen. From this, we have upgraded to the 10-inch display. This is the 10-inch screen with all the factory options are compatible here. For example, if you see, we have the camera from factory. So if I back the car, so it shows the camera here. I need to just turn off the lines and radar because the car doesn't have. Plus there you can see the volume control buttons and everything from factory that came in the car, it is returned. Plus we have upgraded its sound speakers and tweeters as well. So first of all, in the home menu, I will show you like there is the home menu option. We have this from here like CarPlay connected. Here is my iPhone is connected already, so you can see. So we have all the iPhone applications that I have on my mobile phone are available here. So here you can see. So if we will go back, so you can see they have this very radio here, but we have the original radio as well. So you can use the original radio from home menu. We have the radio apps in the applications options. Right now we are in the garage, so we don't have the good internet good radio frequency signals here, but this radio is equipped with the RDS option as well, so it shows the radio channel, radio names and program names as well. So everything is every information is available. Plus the stereo with the screen, you can connect the front camera, DVR and all the functions. This is an Android screen. You can watch videos, YouTube and everything from here. So you can see we have a pre-installed video here. So it will work while driving as well. Then we have some other options like Spotify, music players. We have lots of pre-installed music files here, so you can choose any of here, or you can install use the USB as well. So with the USB you can use all kind of media functions like videos, music, everything will work here. So that's the stereo for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask me in the description below. I will provide the contact information. So that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.